Throw all that calculated wear theory from modern machines straight into the trash. Today, the engine history hauls a true piece of machining heritage onto the test stand. A massive, stationary diesel engine. Don't be quick to dismiss it as outdated scrap metal. Engineers of the last century cast this block of iron with an extreme mindset. Once it's running, it must never miss a beat. No electronic control units throttling it down, no sensors throwing error codes. Every risk under heavy load was solved the brute force way, by stacking more cast iron onto the engine walls. Today's test isn't about cosmetic cleaning. We're going to strip it down, dissect the mechanics, and force this machine to work under load to measure the raw toughness of old-school metallurgy. Look at that piston, as big as an oil drum. Why did they build such massive cylinders just to run at a sluggish 300 revolutions per minute? It's all about crushing resistance. At extremely low RPM, the expansion time after combustion is maximized. All that brutal pressure slams straight into the crankshaft, delivering enormous torque. It doesn't need to scream at high RPM to fake horsepower numbers. It runs slow and steady, but the twisting force is strong enough to drive an entire sawmill or pumping station without choking. If you're into real-world load performance, hit subscribe to the Engine History and stick with the workshop crew. To compress that huge volume of air to the point of self-ignition, the engine relies on an extremely aggressive mechanical high-pressure fuel pump system. Strip away the ECU and computers, and this machine meters fuel purely through cam lobes and gear-driven force. When the camshaft slams down, a tiny injector piston compresses fuel through steel lines, blasting it at extreme pressure straight into the combustion chamber. The tolerances of this pump are machined down to thousandths of a millimeter. Even after sitting idle for decades, all it takes is a skilled mechanic to lap the check valves and reset the spring tension, and the injector sprays again in a fine, razor-sharp mist. The fatigue resistance of this mechanical system completely outclasses fragile electronic setups. The most rugged feature of this machine lies in its exposed lubrication system. Instead of using a hidden high-pressure oil pump inside a crankcase, it uses brass drip oilers right in plain sight. What's the advantage? The operator has full control over lubrication. Every drop of oil falls directly where it's needed, coating rocker arms and crankshaft bearings with a protective film. If oil flow stops, the operator sees it instantly and can cut the load immediately. preventing catastrophic damage like cylinder scoring or thrown rods. This is a minimal mechanical safety system, but it delivers the highest survival rate under extreme working conditions. Now look at that massive exposed flywheel mounted on the side. It's not just there for balance, it's a physical energy storage system. When the piston fires, excess energy is absorbed by the flywheel. If the engine suddenly takes on a heavy load, the stored inertia in that massive chunk of iron smashes through resistance, forcing the engine past dead center without stalling. The sheer mass of the flywheel is why these stationary engines can run for decades, absorbing every shock load thrown back from the machinery they drive. Now it's time to test it. Pump in grease and inject high-pressure compressed air directly into the combustion chamber. The mechanic slams open the release valve. The flywheel spins up. A full compression ignition cycle erupts, blasting out thick black smoke and shaking the workshop floor. But ignition alone isn't enough. The crew hooks up a drive belt and slams a real load onto the flywheel. The iron beast roars, RPM drops for a split second, then the cam opens up, the pump injects more fuel, and the engine snaps back with sharp force. Brutal torque tears through the air and transfers through the belt. The machine is now under a real working load. The metallurgical mindset of the last century has locked in an unbreakable benchmark. Wrenches tightened. See you in the next brutal load test.